Sounds like a bit of overflow ahead there.
Yeah, this doesn't look good. There's open water.
Take a look at it.
It's running water from something. I don't know where. It's not deep though, but it's certainly running over the road. Over.
I guess the pond on the right side of the road, I guess, is pretty high compared to the left. I guess it's just flowing that way.
Holy shit, there's some kind of a makeshift bridge up ahead here. Over. Hang on. You might want to come and assess this. Over.
Take a look.
I'm gonna go ahead and cross. I think we're okay. Well, it's a good thing all this is frozen. I don't know if we would have made it through here in the summer. Over.
Are you all good up out there?
Pretty good so far.
Yeah, I think we're coming in.
Okay guys, so far so good.